Wow, that's actually gotten significantly better. So this is one of the cool things about chocolate. It's alive in a certain way where it continues to evolve. It's a lot like wine. Single origin chocolate tasting Ko'olaupoko. And what this means is it's a blend from a region of Oahu. So Oahu is one of the main islands of the Hawaiian island chain, and Ko'olaupoko is a region of the largest mountain chain. And so this is from Waimanalo all the way to Kualoa Ranch. And so it's a conglomeration of many small farms that went into making this chocolate bar, because many farmers have 50 trees or 150 trees, 200 trees. It's not enough to really get their own ferment at a big enough scale. And so we've got a very large blend of the windward region of Oahu. And it's always different, as you can imagine. So it's fun. I like and celebrate that difference when we make chocolate. So we're always just trying to take the ferment and do the very best job with it that we can. We're not trying to make the same thing over and over again. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to smell it. We just did a tasting before this of kahalu, and even though this was fermented in kahalu, next to it, it smells different. It's not as chocolatey. It smells more woody, actually. Whereas kahalu, as it finished, it had these really nice ripe fruits, bananas, raisins. Let's see. But I would imagine there's still quite a bit of citrus in here. And as I was explaining before with the kahalu, citrusy or high acidic chocolates age quite a bit over the months that they've been made. This one has definitely gotten better. It's more well-rounded. I'm getting nice fudginess, but I'm also getting a lot of floral and citrus. Wow, that's actually gotten significantly better. So this is one of the cool things about chocolate. It's alive in a certain way where it continues to evolve. It's a lot like wine. Shorter life, I think, a lot of the time. But I would compare an acidic chocolate that's well fermented and well made to, let's say, a bigger cab where it can age for decades before it's hit its perfect timing for drinking or consumption. Chocolate can be like that too. We just haven't gone down that path. Really good quality chocolate is still relatively new, but when you eat a piece of chocolate, it should have a really nice finish. It should last more than just a few seconds. I'm still tasting that initial bite and it's been 30 seconds. I'm still getting floralness. I'm still getting actually raisin notes as well. So really good chocolate. I'm very happy with this one. It's only gotten better since, let's see, when we made this. We made this in October of last year. So we're going on 7 months. Yeah, pretty cool. It's gotten better over the course of 7 months. So yeah, give this one a try. Ko'olaupoko, 70% dark chocolate.